Hi, I'm Melina and welcome to Expert Village. Today we're going to make a polymer clay bowl. In this next step, we're going to make the outer solid color cover for the cane. We're going to take the extra color, the longer piece that we had cut, and we're going to roll it out and flatten it. And you can always oil your rolling pin if you need to. If you find that the clay is sticking, which it sometimes does. Basically, we are going to cover this entire cane. So we need to get a good, nice big piece that's flat. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. You can kind of mold it like you would if you were making a pizza, just stretch it apart. It doesn't have to be very big. We just want to make sure that we can cover this entire cane. Bring it all the way up to the edges. What we're going to do, we're going to do a test slice. Sometimes you have to put this aside for about 10 minutes and let it harden a little bit before you slice. If you slice right away, sometimes all the colors will blend together and all your hard work will not show.